In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Keep extension. If you use Google Keep to capture ideas, to-dos, or save pages for later, adding the extension to Chrome makes it fast and effortless. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and head to the Chrome Web Store. Once the store is open, use the search bar and type Google Keep Chrome extension. This narrows the results so you can quickly find the one you need. In the results, look for the official listing from Google. You'll recognize it by the familiar yellow light bulb icon and the developer name Google. Click that result to open its details page. Here, you can skim the description and reviews to confirm it's the genuine extension you want to install. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will show a small pop-up that explains the permissions the extension needs to work. This is normal and helps you understand what access you're granting. To proceed, click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install the extension in just a few seconds, and you may see a brief confirmation letting you know it's been added. Now let's make it easy to reach. At the top right of Chrome, click the puzzle-shaped extensions icon. A list of your installed extensions will appear. Find Google Keep in that list and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning simply moves the icon to the toolbar so it's visible all the time. Once pinned, you'll see the Keep icon appear next to your address bar, ready for quick access whenever you need it. A couple of helpful notes before we wrap up. This setup works best on the desktop version of Google Chrome. Other Chromium browsers like Edge or Brave may install it, but behavior can vary, so Chrome gives the smoothest experience. Also, your notes sync with your Google account, so anything you save from the extension appears on keep.google.com and on your other devices using the same account. There's nothing extra you need to do. Just be signed into Chrome with the account you use for Keep. That's all there is to it. You've installed the Google Keep extension, confirmed it, and pinned it so it's always within reach. The next time you find something worth remembering, click the Keep icon and save it in seconds.